Hey guys, I'm Marta Geek. In this video, I want to share an update for the Z Fold 3, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. Because after 7 months, it's been exactly around 7 months. Finally the screen protector that comes out of the box, already installed on the system, it's already gone bad. It's already gone really, really bad. It got really ugly. Like you see there, you see 1, 2, 3, 4 bubbles. And those bubbles just got created like a day ago because it was already going through all this. The sticker was already releasing all the way down to here, and I guess I went like this, and then those bubbles were created, but it was looking ugly already. Now it looks even uglier too because it has 4 bubbles there. First, it was a huge bubble going down, down, all the way up to here. And yeah, so it's been 7 months. Just wanted to share with you guys that, yeah, this is an update on the Z Fold. This is a new type of device, and I've been really loving this phone. But I knew that eventually this was going to happen because this is the screen protector that comes already installed. Yes, you can replace this screen protector at your will. It won't avoid the warranty as long as you don't damage the screen itself. Now you can either do this yourself, take it off if you want, or you can honestly, if you're a little bit nerve-wracking like I am, or other people, I believe, I would definitely take it to somebody that does, like at the mall, those people that replace and protect your phones. I recommend taking it to them, and they will do a better job. They've been doing this for years on different phones. So I would take it to one of them if you feel uncomfortable doing this yourself. So right here with this little tube, this is plastic. Don't use anything metal because you don't want to scratch the screen. Remember, you don't want to scratch the screen. So use something plastic like this right here, or a guitar pick or something like that. And just start taking it off from the corner. Look at this. It actually came off really easily from the corner right there. Okay. Hey, oh, here you go. It's coming off softly. Oh man, I thought there was going to be a lot more resistance. Because I've seen videos of people doing this, and it looks way harder, way stronger than it's feeling right now. Oh my god, wait a second. This is really, really soft. Okay, guys, at least my screen protector, oh my god, it went off very, very smooth. I seen videos of people taking the screen protector, and it's a little bit nerve-wracking. I don't know, maybe my screen protector that they put is a little bit less sticky, but there you go. Oh my god, look how beautiful now it looks. Look at that. Look how beautiful it looks now. Nice and shiny. It's gonna feel, oh my god, it's gonna feel a lot more better in the touching, because that's one thing that I hate about screen protectors, that you touch and it feels like plastic. But because this was a very unique device, I was okay with living with that. Here in the front, I'm still rolling with the screen protector that came with the system. I don't know if you guys saw my review of the 5 months later, or review using the device. This actually came off a little bit, but I kept it there. I kept it there, still protecting my phone. So I'm still rolling with it because it really doesn't look that bad. Let's go and turn on the cell phone. It really doesn't look that bad when I'm looking and browsing through the phone. So I'd rather just leave it there and protect the screen, because that little tiny bubble doesn't really bother me at all. And like you see there, there's like little scratches that, depending on the case that you use, when this slides off, like I explained on my prior video, it can scratch the screen. And that right there, those scratches are because of that. Those little tiny scratches, like hair scratches, it's because of that. But keep in mind, that's the screen protector, so I'm okay with that. So yeah, look how it looks. This, like I said, it doesn't really bother me looking at the phone like that. I really enjoy this freaking phone. And like I said, most of the time I'm using this screen right here. When I take the phone out of my pocket. And then when I want to see something better, I just go ahead and open up the screen. there you go. Look at that. Look how that looks. Oh my god. Way better now, man. It looks nice and shinier. And I think I might roll with this for a while. You know, if I think it's starting to get a little bit scratchy, which I hope it doesn't, because like I said, the cool thing about this is that you fold it up and the screen is not going to be touching any surface, so there's no chances of it getting scratched by keys in your pockets or, you know, coins in your pockets. That's the great thing that I love about the folding phones. So for me, I might roll like this for a while because I love how it looks. I love how my finger feels when it's, you know, sliding through the screen, you know. And like you see there, the crease, you know, you're still gonna see the crease, right? But when you're watching videos, it's really no problems whatsoever. It's really no problem whatsoever. Let's go and watch a video here. So right now, if I click a video, look at that. It's really no problem whatsoever. But look at that. This is me after giving a home run with the game that I'm playing, MLB The Show. Let's see this one. Look at that. Look at that.
Swing and a miss. That's strike one.
That looks pretty good. That looks pretty nice and shiny. Very beautiful colors. Beautiful.
This is blasted.
Look at that.
Way back there. On its way. Gone.
Look at that.
It's his 6th home run of the season. They tack on to their lead. It's 3-0.
Yeah. Okay. So there you have it, guys. So honestly, you know, I'm okay with this. I'm okay with this. I'm gonna keep rolling it, you know, using it like this without the screen on the cover here, because like I said, most of the times when I use the screen, it's for watching videos and for, you know, sitting down and reading on the news like this. So that's mostly when I use the big screen like that, open like that. Most of the times, my phone, I'm taking out the phone out of my pocket and using this screen right here, you know, and browsing through everything. I even watch videos like this. I even go through videos here and watch them like that as well, and pictures as well. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. I just wanted to share an update about the Z Fold 3 after 7 months later, you know, letting you know that just in case you're interested, a lot of people have questions about the screen protector. It's a big deal, of course, because this is an expensive device. You want to protect it. You want to make sure you're spending your money in something good, right? So just to let you know that yeah, it lasts me 7 months. I've seen people that actually take the screen protector off within a couple months, but I didn't really do that because I really want to protect my phone as much as possible. So for me, it lasted 7 months of usage. And taking it off was very easy. Very easy. It came out very softly. I thought it was going to be a lot of resistance, but it came out very softly. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Let me know what you think about the Z Fold 3. And are you getting the Z Fold 4 or the new flip phone? Thank you guys. Till next time. Bye-bye.